Alright everybody, welcome back. I wanted to get in and trying to start learning dimple locks. And so I got a multi-lock right there, but it's been giving me a fit. And so I thought I'd order one of these Yardenis here and give one of these a try and see how my luck goes with it. And I'm using one of these, I don't know if they're like a little Goso set with the interchangeable ends. I seem to like them pretty good. And we'll see how they end up working along. Now, number one felt like it sat there. So let's go on through. Trying to make sure I keep a pick good and flat in there, so I'm able to get underneath everything. The thing I have the hardest problem with is trying to keep a pick straight and flat back through there. Let's see here. 2 and 3. I don't know even how many pins is in these things. I'd say it's 5 pins. It's a 1 1/8 inch mortise here, so. I got these from eBay from a feller goes by Lockman, and I ordered one of them and he ended up sending me 2 of them, so that's pretty cool. We'll just keep poking around here. Let's keep working on it here. I can always find the number 1 pin. Hey, there we go. That felt like something. Alrighty, come on now. Hey, looky there. Holy crap, first dimple lock picked. Pretty happy with that. Now, it might be on the easy end, but I will take that as a win. Let's see if I can get this. Well, there we go. I don't have to really worry about keeping it in shot, because, I mean, this is just for entertainment purposes only. Alrighty, so let's get this thing out of here. Pretty happy with that. First dimple lock. I mean, it might be one of the easier ones, but I will take it anyway. Now let's lock it back up here, and I'll show you how the key looks, and we'll just gut it and see what all comes in these. I know it'll be the hardest key, but looks like pretty low one there in the front. 3 really high ones, a really low one there, and then a high one hid right there in behind it. I hope that shows up on the camera. And so now we will see if we can get this thing took apart here. And I hope they're not a odd size follower or nothing like that. I hope one of my followers I got right there fits it. Alrighty. Let's see here. I don't know either right there. I got this from 3D Lock Sport. They make one right there for hold a little sparrow's mini mat, and it holds everything. I like it there. I think it's pretty nice. And I ain't never seen, I don't know what this like solid plug is in the back of the thing for. Is that for whenever if you ain't got a thing on it, keeps the key from going all the way through? And I just knocked it right out. So not sure what that is for, but I'll lay that right there. Well, I maybe should have left that back. There we go. Okay. Now, nice and easy. Maybe we won't need no shim or nothing. Let's see if this one is the right size. Feels like it is. Let's see here which direction the key pin should be up this way. So let's... Hey, looky there. Now, I don't know if you read the description. Whenever I picked them 3-pack locks, I went to gutting them, alrighty? And don't ask me what I was thinking. I went around it every back way possible you can think of. I ended up having to rip all the springs out and all that. I think that key pin right there is stuck. Well, they just seem like really tight in there. Having to push them down out of there. So, but let's see here if we can get them dropped out of here. I ain't never gutted one of these. I'm pretty stoked though about the first one ever done. Alright. I'll put them right up here. There is one. There is two. There is. Well, that's number 4. Let me get my tweezers here. 4 go there. 2 there. 1 there. See if we can get number 3 out of there now. There we go. It felt like cooperating. Well, you know what? I can't even count. That's 6 of them. I'm pretty sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Well, that ought to inspire some confidence. Or no, wait. Is that one there a key pin? Oh, yeah, it is. See if I can get it. Cores up out of there. There we go. There. Yes. Alright, now we'll lay this right here so it won't roll nowhere. Now, let's see if we can get this right here. Picked out of here. Now, if these are like the same size of like driver pins as a regular lock, I would like to put some different ones in. Never mind, that right there's got a spool. This here's a spool too. Number 3 is a standard. Number 4 is a standard. Number 5 is a standard. Let's get it flipped right here and get this one out the back. And number 6 is a standard. Alrighty. So let me pick this up here. You guys can see him there a little better. Well, I don't want to get him off camera. But yeah, these got some crazy looking pins to them. That's like a really tall spool. I hope that focuses in on it. Let me get my big hand out of the way. Maybe it will then. Yeah. That's there. Yeah. There, spool. I think we're number one. Well, let me kick the camera one good time. Number one right there was a high one. So I think, just for like making it a little harder, I think I'm going to take a standard out of the number 6 spot. I'll stick a spool back there in number 6. And then to shake it up some in the number 3 spot for this high one right here, I'm going to put that spool in that spot there. There we go, and now that ought to change it up a little bit. Let's see if we can get it. Well, I just throw everything around. I'm glad no springs come falling out. Alright, let's see if we can get it put back together here now the way we want it. Let's see here. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1. Yeah. Hope I'm keeping all this in shot real good. If I keep forgetting the cameras there, not paying much attention. There's number 4. There is number 5. Here is number 6. Alrighty, so yeah, we put the spools in a little harder places now. So let me lay that right there. Let's get this core here. We'll just start here at the back. There's number 6. There's number 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Let's see if maybe can work him. So yeah, you can see there that that spool ought to work pretty good back there in number 6, and another spool there in number 3. So I ought to make it a little harder. So now let's see here. I ain't gonna worry about sticking that key back in there. I'll make sure I don't get in this little crack right here so the driver pins won't fall down through there. See if we can get that slid back into place. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See if we can lock it up to hold itself in place there. There we go. Now, yeah, that must be just like a key stop. That is pretty handy though. There we go. Now, let's get these tightened back up in there. A little handy screwdriver. Well, missed a hole. Missed it by that much. Yeah, but I didn't think I really felt any counter rotation for that spool there. But I ain't really, like I said, I mean, I fooled around with that multi-lock junior a little bit. But I ain't really done much with it. So, now, let's see if it even still works. Make sure I ain't broke it. Oh, like a glove. Alrighty. Thank you very much for watching. Well, I can get the key out. Thank you very much for watching.